procrastination might be a simple issue of you not having enough energy in your bank account. That's why your brain's telling you, I don't want to do that. We don't have energy for that. Cancel that. My name is Angela and I'm a brain optimization coach. Today we're talking about a high energy lifestyle. Energy is the currency of life. The amount of energy you have is the amount of life, of accomplishments, of things you do every day at a higher quality. Energy is everything. I would ask them, okay, so you didn't do this habit, and how was your energy back then? 100% all the time I hear, well, I fell down. I didn't feel that great. I didn't want to do that. I felt a little bit lower in energy, or a lot lower in energy, right? Every single time it would all come down to your energy levels. When you are high energy levels, when you have high energy levels, you want to do things, you are effective, you try things, you're in your action mode. Isn't that true, folks? Think about your procrastination. When you procrastinate, how is your energy level? Like, ask yourself that. Your procrastination, your motivation, your productivity, your focus, they all depend on your energy levels. Imagine if in your bank you have a refillable bank account. Every day you get a certain amount of money to spend on your day, on the quality of life that you want to have, on all of the things that you want to do. Imagine this bank account to be abundant and you have a lot of money to spend on absolutely everything you want. You're going to do so many more things, won't you? And then imagine that is your energy bank account. And every day there is a certain amount that is put into it. So if you have a lot of it, wouldn't you think you are going to do a lot more with it than if your energy bank account is small and it shrinks every day and you don't get refilled it as high? Every day it's getting smaller and smaller and you have less and less of energy to spend on everything you do throughout the day. You don't think about that, but that's exactly what happens. That's how I came up with this high energy day 4-pillar lifestyle formula based on current research, based on 15 years of my experience working with clients, based on my personal experience. I came up with this shortcut to high energy day every day. And there is no limit to what you will do with that. A lifestyle formula that allow you to have high energy day every day. Pillars are very simple. You probably are familiar with them. It's your high quality sleep every single night. It's your movement practice. It's your morning light exposure. It's your nutrition. Exercise allows your cells to be more effective with producing more energy. Sleep is where your pool of neurotransmitters like dopamine are restored, where your brain and your body eliminate toxins that don't allow your cells to produce energy effectively. It's where a lot of recovery happens. Your light exposure, that's what regulates your transmitters like dopamine, like serotonin, like adrenaline. That's what regulates some of your hormones like cortisol, for example, and a lot of your other systems. How you synchronize your brain and your body to work optimally, including energy production. And the last but not least, your nutrition. You eat certain foods, yes, it contains energy, but also regulating the stress, and that's when your nutrition is on point and gives you so much more energy because it's a much more effective process. So 4 pillars of lifestyle for high energy day every day are great quality sleep, great movement practice, light exposure, and nutrition. When you get those 4 down every single day or almost every single day, you're gonna have a huge bank account filled with energy to spend on all of the activities you want to do. And that lifestyle allows you to restore that balance every single day. That's what you want to understand, right? And as I mentioned in the beginning, your procrastination might be a simple issue of you not having enough energy in your bank account. That's why your brain's telling you, I don't want to do that. We don't have energy for that. Cancel that, right? That's exactly what happens and why you procrastinate more, and why I and my clients after self-optimization do not procrastinate. Energy is the currency of life. This is your life bank account. Understand this. Now, of course, there are a lot of details you can screw up along the way to make your movement, your sun exposure, your sleep, your nutrition practice not optimal. And that's why I've created this shortcut, this report that will give you your 80-20, your minimum effective dose based on current research that will allow you in the most optimal simple way that doesn't make you spend a lot of your time to restore your energy balance every single day, so you have a lot of energy to do everything you want to do. So click the link below underneath this video. Instantaneously download this report that I've created of high energy day 4-pillar lifestyle formula that will allow you to top up your energy bank account every single day, to have a lot of energy, to get a lot of things done, and be enthusiastic, excited, and motivated every single day. So don't wait anymore. Don't resign yourself to mediocrity. Seize the opportunity, download this report underneath this video, and get a ticket to unlocking your full potential. That depends on high energy levels.